Why do we have clipping in our audio? Well, the reason here is when audio signals exceeded the maximum altitude that can be accurately reproduced, resulting in distortion. By learning how to eliminate clipping, you can preserve the integrity of your audio recordings and maintain high quality sound. Now, clipping can be unpleasant to listen to and really create can really detract from the overall quality of your audio project. Now, very simply, I'm just gonna just test this for testing purposes. I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna go to view, and here I should see show clipping in wave. So let's see if I do have any, and apparently I don't have any clipping in this audio. But let's say I want to fix this, and what I'm gonna have to do here and here, what I would do, guys, here is to go to, we have right over here, we have effect. So if you click on this here, you're gonna see noise removal and repair, and here we have click removal, clip fix, noise gate, noise reduction, repair, and I'm gonna select here clip fix. And here sorry, I just forgot to select the audio. So here I'm just gonna go back here and select it, and now here we have preset settings. We can have some save preset. I also have saved one. You can click on imports, and sorry, I don't have any, but and okay, anyways, so now we can click on apply. We also here we have some thresholds. So what you can do is actually increase or decrease the threshold and then just play the audio. That's what I would do. But of course, to play the audio, just click on preview and then also change the threshold, reduce aptitude, because that really depends on the audio you have. So really, so this is just so basically this really depends on the case. This really depends on a lot on case by case basics, and it's really important to test to see what works best for you and what results will get you the best results. So test here, and then all you have to do is just to click on apply here. So I hope you found this helpful. Now at the end, what I would do here is just to lastly just to go to effects again here, and then here in effects we have volume and compression. I'm just going to click on normalize. Lastly, I'm going to set this to 3 and then click on apply. That's only because the audio usually really starts to deep down, fades kind of a lot once I apply the first effect. So now, thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video if you found this tutorial helpful. Only if you found this helpful, right? But if you found this helpful, please like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I hope you can have a fantastic day.